Hello. What's your name? How are you today? Right. Now look at this picture, okay? Look at this picture. Can you point? Okay, point. Where is the sheep? Okay, point. Where is the sheep? Where is the hen? Hen. Hen. Okay, now look at this picture. Can you count? Okay, let's count. 1, 2, 3, okay? Can you count how many banana plants can you see? One. How many? How many banana plants can you see? One. Okay.
Cô hỏi là có bao nhiêu cây, con phải chỉ hết những cái cây có trong hình á.
Okay. One. Okay, how many banana plants can you see? Okay, so that's the end of this video as well. Thank you so much.